Today class is run cycle. As we already done the walk cycle for the 25 frames, now run cycle is only for 13 frames. So I'll show you the forces, and 1, 7, 13 are the key forces, and we should add the same mid force like before. So first we should do it in first we should on the IK and FK keys, same like the last videos. So now I'll show the forces. Do exactly. First take any of the leg as you wish, right or left, and pull it front, and take the left leg and lift it up and give the rotation. Now bend little. And after bending, take the front leg that which you have kept. I have taken the right leg, so what leg you have taken, maybe either left or right, put it front. The leg should be straight, and give some heel roll for it, and again keep it as straight. Next lift the left leg some more up and bend the hip part. Check whether the leg is correct or not, whether it is straight or not. After setting it up, take the legs simultaneously. Like if the right leg is front, put the right hand for the back, and if the left leg is front, put the left hand back. See the forces how I'll keep. And play the fingers and close all the fingers as we run. Take the base, mid and tip and give the proper values for it as you need it. And for thumb finger, just give the mid and tip. Just it should attach the hand. And next go to the left hand and copy the same forces like you did before. Now bend the hip part. And select the backbone part also and give some rotation and lift the head up. If you need, you can give the elbow also if you think it is as necessary. And select the total body and press. Give the set key at the first and 13th frame and take 7 as the mid frame. and take the leg and same copy, paste, repeat it again, copy, paste, and same for the legs also. You have completed the legs, so do it for hands. Next, coming to do it as copy and paste. After the copy and paste, just go to the mid frames and do it. For run cycle, we should do each and every frame, the middle frames. For the 2 second one, just make the heel roll 0 and rotation also 0. It should be like flat and leg should be straight. And some frontwards. This is the second frame, and third frame also same. It should be 0. Right leg should be 0. Rotation, and it should be in the same place. Just put it down. And for another frame, just leg should come front and give the same. And in fourth frame, take the right leg backwards and lift the left leg and make it as 0 and bend all the rotations also. And this is one of the frame. And for fifth frame, take the leg backwards straight and lift the leg more up and give some heel roll also. And sixth is automatically taken. And coming to 8th frame, copy the second frame to 8th frame, copy the third frame to 9th frame, copy the 4th to 10th, copy the 5th to 11th, copy the 6th to 12th. Do it simultaneously as you done the first. So select one of the leg, copy, and select first leg, copy, second leg, and in 8th frame, paste. Again in second frame, copy and paste. And after this third frame, copy, paste, copy, paste. Again same simultaneously for total. Next, go for the 12th frame, same. So copy the 6th frame to the 12th frame. And your run cycle is done. And for the mid movements, in 12th frame, take the hip pad and bend it down and take it as S. And in third frame, little more down. And in fifth frame, little up. Same simultaneously, 8th one down. 9th one out down, and 11th up, and for coming to the graph editor, select all the frame total body and go to Windows, Animation Editors, Graph Editor, and select the total body and give the weighted tangents and flat tangents both, and select only the legs and go to Windows again, Animation, Graph Editors, and give the linear. For 8th, 9th, 10th, if you are not feeling the hands good, you can copy and paste the hands again. Coming to this is the run cycle of the nerve curves, and you can play it. The run for fast forward or to move front, I'll say in the next class. It is same like walk cycle how we have done, taking the first and mid frame and 13th. Here the key forces are 1, 13 are the contact forces, 7th one as we know, and 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th are the important frames, and which should be copied in 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So this is the run cycle.